the second. At the third, Carl Villahermosa. Our fourth, Meron Sansayong. At the fifth, Robert.
Kadabusan.
After this local Indoro, we will proceed to the Power Indoro category. Final round for the Power Indoro category.
Doy, pugod.
Mantap tulog. Ay, taupat.
Dari harap tuan.